this marvel of engineering isn't feeling so well. This Agilent 8563E with the LCD display is behaving quite abnormally, and specifically, if I preset this analyzer with no signal, you can see the signal saturates. It is of course vertical because I've splayed out some of its innards here on the left, so I apologize for that. But you can see this is saturated here. Now if I am to go to bandwidth and turn the resolution bandwidth to manual and start to decrease it, you'll see the noise floor drops. Now that's a 75-second sweep time, so I don't think we're going to be waiting for that. But I can also bring the span down, say from 100 megahertz to 500 megahertz, and that'll speed up the I'm trying to do a lot at once here. That'll speed up the scans. So now if I lower the resolution bandwidth, you can see I get a fairly normal looking output. And if I take a 1 gigahertz rather tone, and I apply it here, let's see if we can find that. So we will now change the frequency from 900 megahertz to 1100 megahertz. Let's see what we see there. And there's some kind of a tone. We see something there. Again, let's go to the span, not the span, the bandwidth. And let's change the resolution bandwidth a little lower. Now it's a 5-second sweep on that. That's a 10 kilohertz RBW, resolution bandwidth. So there's a 30 kilohertz, 100, and you can see that noise floor goes up, or that base value goes up. And if we go up high enough, you'll see almost all. Now that's a 2 megahertz, which seems to be the max resolution bandwidth, which is kind of like the minimum number of points taken. And you can see that it's there's just a little line appearing from there. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. If I bring this back down, this is the 300 kilohertz RBW, 100 kilohertz, and there we are back down to 30 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz. Now again, we're at a 5-second sweep cycle here. So, not sure exactly what's going on with this poor feller. Hope somebody has an idea.